Maupiti, a hiker's paradise, beckons with trails leading to breathtaking panoramic views. Ascend Mount Tirafatiyu for a vista that captures the island's lush greenery against the vast ocean. The climb, though steep, rewards with a 360-degree view that's simply unforgettable. Pack water, wear sturdy shoes, and consider a guide to enhance your hiking adventure. Beyond the peaks, explore hidden coves and caves, carved by the ocean and shrouded in vegetation. Safety first. Check tides and explore with a companion or guide. And don't miss the secluded beaches, like Terea, Payao, and Onoyao, for a serene escape. Upon arrival, a traditional fresh flower lei greeting welcomes you, symbolizing the aloha spirit and connecting you to Maupiti's culture. Participate in local activities like tifai quilt making, tamurai dance, and storytelling with elders. These experiences offer a deep dive into the island's heritage. And let's talk cuisine. Savor dishes like poisson cru, uru, and fafa, which embody the island's flavors and communal dining traditions. Dive into snorkeling in Maupiti's turquoise waters, home to parrotfish, angelfish, clownfish, and manta rays. For water sports enthusiasts, paddleboarding, kayaking, and windsurfing offer thrilling ways to explore the coastline. As the day winds down, choose a sunset cruise or a spa treatment with traditional Polynesian techniques for ultimate relaxation. Consider booking activities in advance, especially during peak season. Selecting the right accommodation is key to your Maupiti experience. Overwater bungalows for romance, beachfront villas for sea lovers, or garden bungalows for tranquility. Choose based on your desired vacation. Look for deals and packages that cater to your needs, whether it's a honeymoon, family vacation, or a personalized island experience. Balance comfort, location, and vacation type to ensure a memorable stay in Maupiti. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.